TaskFlow has layout. It has spacing, but the text still looks generic. Default fonts, default sizes, no visual hierarchy. You can't tell headings from body text at a glance. And the colors, just white on dark. No personality, no brand. Typography and color are what make a website feel professional. Good typography guides the reader's eye. Good color creates mood, emphasis, and trust. In this video, you'll learn font families and how to load web fonts, font properties like size, weight, and line height, every color format, hex, RGB, HSL, and when to use which. Text styling like alignment, shadows, and transforms. By the end, TaskFlow will have a complete type system and color palette. Every operating system comes with built-in fonts. These are system fonts. On Mac, you get San Francisco. On Windows, Seago UI. On Linux, Roboto or Noto. System fonts load instantly because they're already on the user's device, but they look different on every platform. Web fonts solve this. They're hosted online and downloaded by the browser. Google Fonts is the most popular source. It's free and has over 1,500 fonts. To use Google Fonts, add a link tag in your HTML head. The browser downloads the font file and applies it to your page. For custom fonts, use @FontFace. @FontFace lets you load any font file. WAF2, WAF, TTF, or OTF. WAF2 is the best format. It's compressed and supported by all modern browsers. Font display controls what happens while the font is loading. Font display swap shows a fallback font immediately, then swaps when the web font loads. This prevents invisible text while fonts download. Always use font display swap for the best user experience. A font stack is your fallback plan. Font family : Inter, Helvetica, Arial, sans serif. If Inter fails to load, the browser tries Helvetica, then Arial, then any sans serif. Always end with a generic family: sans serif, serif, or monospace. Font size controls how big the text appears. The default browser font size is 16 pixels. Use rem for font sizes. 1 rem equals the root font size. H1 at 2.5 rem, H2 at 2 rem, H3 at 1.5 rem, body text at 1 rem, small text at 0.875 rem. This creates a consistent scale that adapts when you change the root size. Font weight controls boldness. Normal is 400, bold is 700. Weights range from 100, which is thin, to 900, which is black. Not all fonts support every weight. Google Fonts lets you pick exactly which weights to load. Font style is usually normal or italic. Italic text slants to the right and is used for emphasis or quotes. Line height controls the space between lines of text. A value of 1.5 means the line height is 1.5 times the font size. 1.5 is the standard for body text. Headings can use 1.2. Tight line height makes text feel dense. Loose line height makes it feel airy. Letter spacing adjusts the space between characters. Letter spacing : 0.05 m adds a subtle spread. Use it for uppercase text or headings. Too much letter spacing hurts readability, so use it sparingly. CSS has several ways to define colors. Hex is the most common. #333 is dark gray. #FFF is white. #000 is black. 6-digit hex. The first 2 digits are red. The middle 2 are green. The last 2 are blue. #FF0000 is pure red. #00FF00 is pure green. 3-digit hex is shorthand. #333 is the same as #333333. RGB uses decimal values from 0 to 255. RGB parenthesis 255, 0, is red. RGBA adds an alpha channel for transparency. RGBA 255, 0, 0.5 is 50% transparent red. HSL is the most intuitive color format. H is hue, a degree on the color wheel from 0 to 360. 0 is red, 120 is green, 240 is blue, S is saturation, from 0% which is gray to 100% which is vivid. L is lightness, from 0% which is black to 100% which is white. 50% lightness gives you the pure color. HSL makes it easy to create color variations. Same hue and saturation, just change the lightness for darker or lighter shades. HSLA adds transparency. Just like RGBA, for dark themes use HSL. It's the easiest way to create consistent palettes. Text align positions text within its container. Left is the default for most languages. Center is for headings and hero sections. Right is for numbers in tables. Justify stretches text to fill the full width. Text transform changes the case of text. Uppercase converts everything to capital letters. Lowercase converts to small letters. Capitalize makes the first letter of each word uppercase. Use text transform uppercase for labels and buttons instead of typing in caps. If you change the text later, the casing stays consistent. Text decoration controls underlines, overlines, and strike-throughs. Text decoration none removes the default underline from links. Text decoration underline adds one. Line through creates a strike-through. Text shadow adds a shadow behind text. Text shadow : 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 4 pixels, #000, that's horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur radius, and color. Use subtle shadows on headings over images for readability. CSS gradients create smooth color transitions. Linear gradient goes in a straight line. Background : linear gradient to right, blue, purple. Radial gradient radiates from a center point. Gradients can have multiple color stops. Use gradients for backgrounds, buttons, and overlay effects. Let's give TaskFlow a professional type system and color palette. First, we define CSS custom properties for our fonts. Root font family base : inter, sans serif. Font family mono : JetBrains mono, monospace. This centralizes our font choices. Change once, updates everywhere. Next, the type scale. Font size XL at 1.5 rem for main headings. Font size LG at 1.25 rem for section titles. Font size base at 1 rem for body text. Font size SM at 0.875 rem for labels and metadata. Now the color palette, we use HSL for our dark theme. Color BG at HSL 220, 30%, 8%, the main background. Color surface at HSL 230, 20%, 18%, card backgrounds. Color text at HSL 220, 20%, 88%. Primary text, color muted at HSL 220, 15%, 60%. Secondary text, color accent at HSL 330, 90%, 70%, our pink accent. Task cards get the base font at 1 rem, muted text for dates, and accent color for priority labels. Headings use font weight 700 and the XL size. Code snippets use the monospace font. Everything is consistent because it all comes from the same variables. Let's recap what you learned. Font families, system fonts, Google Fonts, add font face, and font stacks with fallbacks. Font properties, size in rem, weight from 100 to 900, line height at 1.5 for body text. Color formats, hex for quick values, RGB for calculations, HSL for building palettes. Text styling, alignment, transforms, decoration, and shadows. Gradients for smooth color transitions in backgrounds, and we applied it all to TaskFlow with CSS custom properties. In the next video, we'll tackle Flexbox, the layout system that solves alignment and distribution for good. See you in the next one.